Bamboo steamer, unraveling the mystery. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, bamboo steamer. This term is not just about cooking. It's a window into culture and language. Stay with us to uncover its meanings and uses. A bamboo steamer is a kitchen tool made from bamboo. It's used for steaming food, especially in Asian cuisine. The steamer consists of a base and tiers of baskets that stack on top of each other, allowing steam to circulate and cook the food gently. Beyond its culinary use, the bamboo steamer is a symbol of traditional cooking methods. It represents a healthy cooking technique and is often associated with the preparation of delicate and nutritious dishes like dim sum, vegetables, and fish. In English, bamboo steamer can be used literally to refer to the cooking tool. However, it can also be used metaphorically in conversations, symbolizing things that are natural, traditional, or healthy. Let's see some examples. 1. This restaurant uses a bamboo steamer for their dumplings, ensuring they're healthy and delicious. 2. In a world full of fast food options, I prefer the bamboo steamer approach to cooking, slow, healthy, and traditional. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey into the world of bamboo steamer. We hope this has enriched your understanding of not just a cooking tool, but a piece of culture. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.